Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. What if I told you that getting top-tier tech doesn't always mean paying top dollar? What if you could get something truly as good as new without breaking the bank? Well, today we're exploring exactly that with the COGNEX IS7502M-360-50 refurbish. This isn't just another product. It's a smart way to experience premium performance, and I'm genuinely excited to share why this refurbished gem might be your next best tech investment. Let's kick things off by tackling the elephant in the room. The refurbish part of the name, MFR, part hashtag, IS7502M-360-50 refurbish. Now, for some, refurbished might conjure images of secondhand, maybe even faulty products. But with the IUI, that couldn't be further from the truth. When they say as good as new, they truly mean it. This isn't just a quick wipe down. These devices undergo a rigorous, multi-point inspection process, often including repairs, parts replacement with genuine components, and thorough testing to ensure they meet original factory specifications. What does this mean for you? It means you get the cutting-edge performance, the reliability, and the pristine condition you'd expect from a brand new device, but at a significantly more attractive price point. You're not compromising on quality. You're just making a smarter financial and even environmental choice by extending the life cycle of premium technology. It's about getting that high-end experience without the high-end cost, which is a win-win in my book. But perhaps the most compelling reason to consider the COGNEX IS7502M-360-50 refurbish is the incredible peace of mind that comes with it. All new products sold from the COGNEX store, including this refurbished model, come with a robust 12-month warranty. Think about that for a second. A full year of coverage on a product that's already offering phenomenal value. This isn't just a standard 30 or 90-day guarantee. It's a testament to COGNEX's confidence in the quality and durability of their refurbished devices. This warranty essentially eliminates any typical reservations you might have about buying refurbished. You're protected against manufacturing defects, giving you the same security you'd expect from a brand new purchase. It tells you that COGNEX stands behind their as good as new promise, ensuring that your investment is safe and that you can use your device without a single worry for a whole year. That kind of commitment is rare, especially in the refurbished market, and it truly sets them apart. Beyond the product itself, COGNEX places a huge emphasis on your overall shopping experience, and that commitment is evident in their customer communication and satisfaction guarantee. They understand that transparency and support are key. For instance, in the event of significant price fluctuations or if a product goes out of stock, they will proactively contact you by email. This means you're never left guessing or caught off guard, allowing you to make informed decisions. More importantly, they explicitly state, "We will value your shopping experience. Any dissatisfaction, please communicate with us first to solve the problem. We'll give you a satisfactory answer." This isn't just lip service. It's a direct invitation to reach out if anything isn't perfect, with a promise of a satisfactory resolution. It shows they genuinely care about building trust and ensuring you're happy, not just with the product, but with every step of your journey with them. They're telling you, "We've got your back," and in today's online shopping world, that level of dedicated customer service is invaluable. So, if you're looking for an intelligent way to upgrade your tech, to enjoy top-tier performance without the premium price tag, and want the absolute confidence of a 12-month warranty and dedicated customer support, then the COGNEX IS7502M-360-50 refurbish is an absolute game changer. It's an opportunity to get truly as good as new quality, backed by a company that clearly values its customers. Don't miss out on this incredible value. Find the link to check it out for yourself in the description below, and make the smart choice for your tech and your wallet today.